If you want to make content, but you just don't want to be stuck within a niche, I'm going to give you the alternative, and that's using a target avatar. In this video, I'm going to break down the difference between using a niche and using a target avatar. I'm going to give you real life examples of creators who use the target avatar method, how they started off, and then give you some key takeaways about this whole concept. So let's get started with the difference between niching and using a target avatar. So a niche usually is, this is how I like to think about it, is you have a specific group of people and they have a specific problem and you solve that. So for example, when I was making content about making captions for videos on CapCut on Mac and PC, I was targeting entrepreneurs and video editors, that specific group, and helping them solve the problem of not being able to auto-generate captions. That was all I was trying to do. I made videos about that. And that allowed me to get views, and specifically my target audience found me. And what I wanted actually was people to reach out and use me to outsource their video editing, which they did. And that was the goal. So that's the niche method. A specific group of people have a specific problem and you solve that. Whereas the target avatar method is focused on various problems, but we're still serving a specific group. So here currently on the channel, I'm trying to help content creators. So I'm helping them speak more clearly, helping them with their mindset, video editing, high-level content strategy. So notice how these are all various different problems, but I still have a target avatar in mind. Now, here is the depiction visually. So this is like an archetype almost of our target avatar, our dream customer, and they have various interests, and we can make content about the various interests they may have or the various problems they may have. Now, moving on to actual creators who use this. So Ali Abdaal, doctor turned YouTuber. Sounds familiar. So Ali Abdaal, the productivity squads, the students, the young professionals, the aspiring entrepreneurs who are looking to optimize and improve various aspects of their lives. And he's probably targeting his younger self. So notice he's making content on making money, how he ranked first at uni, at Cambridge Uni, wow. And tech videos, books, because it's likely that the student, the young professional, the aspiring entrepreneur would be interested in all these topics. So that's the target avatar that Ali uses. And notice it's probably just his younger self. If you know your younger self, then you kind of know your ideal target avatar. Alex Hormozi, very similar. I like to call his target audience the entrepreneur bro. So aspiring and established entrepreneurs who want to self-improve, probably high achievers. And also it's probably his younger self. So here we have how to get big and strong, or at least big, how to get rich, business advice, how to grow an audience. So again, that's his target avatar, the entrepreneur bro, and he's making content for the target avatar, which is likely his younger self. However, Alex Hormozi actually went back to making predominantly entrepreneurship content, which is interesting. And let's look at how Ali and Alex Hormozi started off. So Ali Abdaal kind of started off in a very tight niche, helping people with the BMAT. However, he went on various side quests as well. So singing and vlogging his medical elective. But for the main canon part of his channel, it was how to do well in the BMAT, which is an exam, I believe. Alex Hormozi didn't start off with the target avatar technique. His goal was to help gym owners make more money, so that's quite niche. So as you can see here, he is helping gym owners with growing their gyms. So usually, if you want to start off, you usually can start off being quite niche, because I think that's actually the faster way to grow. But we'll go back on some key takeaways later on. So, you know what? Let's just go to key takeaways now. We've got the diagram here. So niche is often great if you're doing it as a business. So Alex Hormozi was doing Gym Launch, which is a business, and he was using content as a supplement. Ali Abdaal was trying to grow his BMAT interview course, I believe, as a business. So it's great for businesses, business brands, as opposed to personal brands. So when you're doing the niche technique, it's great for growing quickly, and it's very good for people to understand what you do and how you can help them. So niche technique's good for that. However, the target avatar technique is great if you want to figure out what type of content you want to make videos about. It's great also for you to not get bored with producing the same videos over and over and over again. Not the same videos. I mean, there's videos about the same topic. You get what I mean. And also, with the target avatar technique, I found it useful to imagine an actual person here with their name in there. So it's not just a hypothetical target avatar. It's someone in real life that you could imagine and make videos for that specific person in real life. And sometimes what I do, I shoot these people a message, hey bro, I made this video specifically for you. Check it out. And more often than not, they actually find it helpful and they're very grateful. So that's the alternative to sticking to a niche, sticking to a target avatar. Here's the difference between the niche and the target avatar method, and here are actual examples. Now, if you want a PDF of this document, feel free to download it. It's in the description down below for free. Thanks for watching. My name is Junius. I help people make and strategize educational content. For more tutorials and high-level strategy videos like this, check out this playlist here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.